let us take the lecture 222. In this lecture, we'll try to draw the maximum BMD for with respect to point E for this girder. Suppose आप मान लो कि ये गर्डर है जिसमें आपका लोडिंग जो है वो इस तरह से है और ये ट्रांसफरेबल है, माने अगर ये 80 किलो न्यूटन है और ये 200 किलो न्यूटन, तो इनको आगे पीछे किया जा सकता है। सपोज करिए आगे पीछे किया जा सकता है। इनके बीच की जो डिस्टेंस है वो 0.8 मीटर है, राइट, 0.8 मीटर है। और इनको हम कहाँ एडजस्ट करें? Where we should adjust these loads so that we can produce the maximum positive bending moment and maximum our question is to find maximum positive BM at E position, and second maximum negative BM at E position. So suppose your E is 2 meter, 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter and 3 meter. So you can find out these values FA by L. FA by L, F equals to 3 into A is equal to 1.5 divided by 3. So this is 1.5 meter, this is EB. EB is equal to 2 into B is 1.5 divided by L is equal to 3. So this will be your 2, this is 1. So this is 1 unit and this is your 1.5 unit. This is 1.5 unit. And what is this? AB by L. AB by L. AB is 1.5 into 1.5 divided by 3. Though this is 0.75. This is 0.75. So this ordinate is 0.75. 0.75. Please take it. If you take at a distance of 0.8, you can put here. If you put here 80 and 100 here, the same thing will happen. You can see this position. We are choosing this position. We are putting 200 here, 200 kilonewton here, and 80 kilonewton here. This distance is how much? This is 1.5 meter, right? This is 0.8 meter. So this will be your 0.8, 0.7 meter. This is your 0.7 meter. So y by 0.7 equals to 0.75 upon 1.5. This is your 1.5, 0.8 and 0.7. So this will be your like this. So this will be your y equal to 0.7 multiply by 5. 0.5, 0.35. This will be your 0.35. We can check it again. This is 0.75 divided by 1.5. 0.5 multiplied by 0.7. This is 0.35. So this is your 0.35. So we are getting this 0.35. Please might take it in here. So maximum bending moment will be your positive bending moment, positive maximum bending at E equals to 200 into 0.75 ordinate plus 80 into 0.35. Okay, 80 into 0.35. Please take it like this. Into 80 plus 200 into 0.75 gives out 178. So this is coming 178 kilonewton meter. This is your maximum bending moment. This is your maximum bend. let us find out the maximum negative bending moment. So you will go either here or here. So this is 1.5, so we'll go here. So this will be your diagram. If you rub it, आप रब कर लेते हैं इसको, तो आप यहाँ देखोगे, you see BCC dash, this is your, so this is 1.5. So this is diagram, this is 1.5, this is 3 meter, and we put the load here 200 kilonewton, and at a distance of 0.8, this is 0.8 distance meter, this is 80. So this is 0.8 and this will be your 2.2. This is Y. So Y upon 2.2 equals to 1.5 upon 3. That is 1 by 2. So Y is equal to 2.2 divided by 2. That is 1.1. So your bending moment, negative bending moment, maximum, bending moment maximum, 8E equals to 200 into 1.5 plus 80 into 1.1. So you can always find out this. This is 200 into 1.5 plus 80 into 1.1. This gives you 388. So this is 388 negative kilonewton meter. This is your answer for this type of problem. So with the help of this ideal diagram, we can always find out the ILD for shear force and ILD for the bending moment. If it is overhang, then this is okay. If it is not overhang, this much of figure will come, this much of figure will come, and if it is overhang, then the all something you have seen, this will come. So this is a very easy way to understand and to find out the maximum shear force ILD for a point E and BMD, which we have done in this class. So I think you could have understood, and better if you any doubt, you can make it clear through your comments. Thank you very much for being with me.